Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to add friends in FreeFire Max. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your FreeFire Max application and then log into your account. Now once you're in this page, tap on the add button on the right hand corner and then enter your friend's username or player ID in the search bar at the top right. Once you search for the name or the ID, you will be able to see the search results at the bottom. Go ahead and find your friend that you would like to add as a friend and then tap on the add friends icon, which looks like a little human icon with a plus icon in it, and then you will be able to select a player and add them in your friend list. You may also go ahead and search for the people under you may know category and tap on the add button right next to their profile. Soon after you do that, you will be able to send friend requests and add friends in FreeFire Max. Wait for your friend to accept your message, and once they do, you will be able to see them in your friend list and invite them to play. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.